Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering off the camera and removing the lens. This prevents accidental movement and keeps electronics safe. Once done, put the lens on a soft microfiber pad so it won't roll. Use a rubber air blower to dislodge loose dust. This prevents scratches when you touch the glass. Make sure to avoid canned air or breathing on the element because moisture and propellants can leave residues. Inspect the front under good light and identify spots versus particulate debris. Now you move to wet cleaning for smudges and oily residues. Apply 1 to 2 drops of proper lens solution onto the microfiber or lens tissue. Never flood the glass. You'll wipe from the center outward in gentle circular motions. That pushes particles to the edge instead of grinding them into the coating. Make only 1 or 2 passes per area to prevent abrasion. If grease persists, switch to a fresh cloth and repeat. Do not use household cleaners because they can strip coatings and damage elements. Finish by polishing the element with a clean, dry microfiber to remove any streaks. Tilt the lens under angled light to verify clarity. Once satisfied, reattach the lens to the camera and cycle focus and zoom to make sure nothing inside shifted and there's no internal dust. If you still see persistent marks or scratches, stop and seek professional ultrasonics or disassembly services. Trying aggressive home methods can permanently damage the lens coating or glass. That single troubleshooting step prevents costly mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.